What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, we have an awesome unboxing slash first impressions. But if this is your first time joining this guy, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest unboxings and first impressions of Lenovo products. So today is all about the Lenovo Carbon X1 or the X1 Carbon 6th generation laptop. So let's get to it. All right, so what comes inside the box? Super self-explanatory. There's not a lot going on with the X1 Carbon, the 6th generation one from Lenovo. So let's get started. So we have the setup guide and the safety and warranty guide, right? We have a 45-watt power adapter with the cord. Just plug it in here, good to go. It is using a Type-C connection, beautiful. And here goes the beautiful X1 Carbon ThinkPad. Oh my God, it is, gorgeous, 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 super light. Let's open this guy up real quick. All right, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm automatically in love with this guy. From my understanding, the entire body of the X1 Carbon 6th generation is made out of carbon fiber and super magnesium alloy. Sounds pretty awesome. So let's power this guy up. Primary operating system at the X1 Carbon 6th generation from Lenovo. It comes with Windows 10 Pro Professional, 64-bit, right? For processor, it comes with a clock speed of 1.8 gigahertz. Now it's an i7 quad-core 8th generation, I believe 8550U series processor. I think it's a quad core. So let's right click here, go to Task Manager, go to More. I think it's a quad core. Is it a quad core? Let's change this to Logic Group quad core. Awesome. And it is an i7 8550U CPU with a 1.8 or 80 gigahertz. Wow. It looks like it has 8 gigs of memory. I definitely need to open it up for you guys, and when we do the final review on the laptop, I want to see if you're able to upgrade it or is the memory soldered. So I don't know if it's upgradable or you're stuck with 8 gigs. Now for graphics, I definitely know. For graphics, it looks like it comes with the Ultra HD Graphics 620. You're going to get that because of the processor. Again, it's the 8th generation i7 quad-core processor. Now the display size is a beautiful 14-inch Full HD, and that's going to give you the resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now, one of the cool features on the X1 Carbon 6th generation is this cool little feature right here. They finally added a privacy kind of shutter. They call it the ThinkShutter. The layout of the keyboard looks really awesome. It is, I believe, it is LED. Not really too bright because there's a lot of light going on, but I'm assuming once it's a little, darker, it has about 3 settings. The display, again, it is a nice size. I like the feel of the keys. Beautiful distance. All the keys are spaced. It doesn't look like they're bunched up to the point if I'm typing real quick, I might not mistype. The distance between your home keys and the trackpad is dead on. Looks really responsive. I like that. It looks like it has a touch fingerprint reader. And I believe on the X1 Carbon 6th generation, it has this new match-in sensor technology. I need to test that out. I don't really like the fingerprint scanners that much logging in because it's kind of clunky. But I would like to test it out on the X1 Carbon to see how accurate it is. Let's see how bright it goes. Let me see. This is the brightest, and I'm going to lower it down. Ooh, nice. Now, looking at the display, it is touchscreen. Oh, it's touchscreen. Doesn't go all the way down. I don't know. I really don't like laptops with touchscreen, but like I'm moving it around, it does look like it has an anti-glare display. I love anti-glare, so I definitely need to test it out when I have a lot of lighting everywhere. Now it is super, super light. When I took it out the box, I was I was amazed. It feels like a light pillow. I think the starting weight is about 2.49 pounds. It doesn't feel like 2 pounds. It feels much lighter than this. Like, seriously, guys. Really light. Really light. I do like the fact that the X1 Carbon comes with DTPM 2.0. This is a security feature thing. For those IT admins out there that understands what TPM is, yeah, it's a trusted platform module that's built into the BIOS that locks it down. Us admins love that feature. A lot of people that don't understand TPM, don't worry about it. You don't have to understand it. But your IT person at your 9 to 5 job needs to know it and enable it because it is a huge plus. Now for storage, what I know so far on the storage is it comes with a 512 gigabyte NVMe solid state drive. I don't know if you're able to go higher. I don't know if you're capable of upgrading it yourself, or you're locked into the size and then you have to go to a Lenovo site and purchase a bigger size. I need to do a little bit more research on that. Now for ports, looking at the right hand side and left hand side, looks like we have a lot of ports going on. So we're going to take a look at this side right here. On this side, it looks like we have one 3.0 USB port, type A. And, oh, nice. It gives us a combo jack, which allows us to hook up a mic/headphone. This looks like our ventilation system right here to get that nice airflow going in. And on the other side, we have one HDMI port, an additional 3.0 USB port, which is a type A. So right here, right next to the 3.0 USB port, we have our ThinkPad side dock. And this allows us to insert a side dock to extend our, to give us additional USB ports, as well as an Ethernet jack and all that other good stuff. But it also contains one Thunderbolt 3 port. And right next to it is another Thunderbolt 3 port, but you can insert your power adapter. Allows you to charge your device as well. Now on the back side, one of the cool things about the X1 Carbon 6th generation from Lenovo is you get a compartment. There's a nice little slot here, which you need one of those small little pins that you use for your phones. This right here, you can insert your micro SD or a micro SIM card. Nice. All right, guys. So my first impressions of this, it is awesome. I love the weight. I love the body. Again, I think the entire body is made out of carbon fiber as well as magnesium alloy, making it super strong, super light, super sleek. I'm loving the design. I love the fact that they have this nice X1 design right there. And the weight, man, Jesus Christ, the weight is super, super light, man. Especially with the NVMe solid state drive, it is super fast. It's just there. First impressions, I love the keyboard, right? Just touching it. But I need to take it to the lab and test it out for you guys a little bit more, typing quickly and banging and all, and doing all that stuff to make sure it actually works. But I like it. It is LED backlit, which is a plus. I love the fact that they added the ThinkShutter privacy kind of slide right here for the camera. And the camera is actually 720p. I love the display, 14.0 Full HD with a resolution 1920 by 1080. It's great. I don't like that it's touchscreen, but it doesn't give you that glossy kind of feel, even though it's, touchscreen. A lot of touchscreen laptops are kind of glossy, but this one right here is giving me the impression that it's anti-glare because I have some lighting around, but it's not giving me that ignoring kind of glow on it. I love that. I love anti-glare stuff. Overall, I cannot wait to bring it to the lab. I'm gonna do a battery test. I'm gonna drain it out, charge it up, drain it out, charge it up, drain it one more time, and then do it the fourth time. I'm gonna do a hardcore battery test, and the testing is gonna be me using it as a regular user, watching Netflix, Hulu, watching movies in full screen, full HD. I'm gonna definitely change the display. Right now it's 100%. This right here is the lowest that you could get. I can still see the images on the desktop. That nice little wallpaper that Lenovo hooked up this laptop. And this is the brightest. Wow, it's great. Great little laptop. I definitely see my consultants at my 9 to 5 job having this for their everyday work kind of machine because it's light, it's powerful, it's strong, it's super fast. That's what everyone looks for a laptop. So hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing / first impressions. If you have any comments or anything that you want me to follow up on the final review on this laptop, leave it at the bottom of the video, because if you leave a particular question that you want to know, I'm going to answer it on the review. So make sure you leave it down there, right, guys? And again, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.